Inspired by the global challenge of combating climate change, EcoTrust team harnessed the mechanics of light waves and captured photon energy through advanced optical engineering. Introducing the Crystal Dome, a marvel of performance and durability designed to restore pure water with exceptional productivity. These aesthetically pleasing units not only enhance the site, but also integrate seamlessly with its surroundings. Powered by sunlight, the Crystal Dome's design accounts for the varying angles of sunlight throughout the day and seasons, ensuring consistent productivity. As the sun's rays strike the Crystal Dome, an advanced AI system, leveraging 4th and 5th Industrial Revolution technologies, automatically adjusts to maximize light capture. This system traps light within the dome's greenhouse, achieving peak photon energy absorption from the first hour of sunrise, rapidly heating the water to the point of dense evaporation.
The thermodynamic design, enhanced by precise sensors, draws dense steam into condensers, transforming it into pure water. This steam is cooled with feed water, which replaces the evaporated water through an automatic mechanical balancer. The condensed pure water is then directed to rehabilitation units to remove organic residues and balance salts for drinking or irrigation. The AI model discharges residue concentrate as needed. The Crystal Dome can desalinate seawater with minimal energy using renewable sources, achieving a zero carbon footprint. It also integrates with sewage treatment units of all sizes, from urban areas to remote business camps and sustainable tourism resorts. The Crystal Dome, where sunlight serves sustainability and human well-being.
EcoTrust.